Okay, so this is Craig's little Lego man, and he has somehow created this little zip line for his Lego guy.
It's a test dummy.
Oh, it's his crash test dummy, he says. Alright, so start right there. Go ahead.
That's kind of a weird mechanic. Like, you could, I don't want to swim down too far, but, I mean, look. Like, he just goes all the way.
He is so smart.
Instantly.
That was cool.
I wonder if you can use that.
I want to watch out.
Let's see.
You could use it to
There it is, close up. Okay.
Get right here.
Alright, go ahead and start up one more time, guys.
And the other thing I want to
There's only one extra soda left.
see what happens when we fight shark.
Between the twins.
Yeah, there you go.
Cool thing.
Hold on, just wait a
That's
minute.
what Craig created.
I mean, I think it's gonna be
This is
pretty
so cool.
straightforward.
Somebody asked
His
me.
maneuver
Alright, go ahead,
is really
dude.
good underwater. He turns corners really
Here, you
tight.
need help?
Nope,
And
we
when you
got it.
stop moving with
Oh,
him, like,
zip
he
line.
stops, which is great. This guy